Another violation of GRAP-4 India Today uncovered was that polluting buses continue to ply on Delhi roads without any fear. When our SIT confronted those bus operators and workers, they smiled, they spoke so casually as if nothing wrong was happening. They were not doing anything wrong is how they presented their side of the story. Take a look at this report.
Delhi has become a gas chamber. Stage 4 of the Graded Response Action Plan against pollution was in force till today. But on the ground, almost every rule is being violated openly. This is the Delhi-Noida border, and what you see here is not an isolated violation but an open operation of illegal buses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and several more diesel buses lined up. Despite a ban on vehicles not meeting BS6 emission norms, these buses are openly picking up passengers, making multiple stops and preparing to leave Delhi. All of this is happening right under the watch of the Delhi Traffic Police, Transport Department, local police, the MCD and other enforcement agencies. For over 15 minutes, they remain parked in a long queue, waiting for the Noida entry to open at 9 p.m. before exiting the capital. Take a closer look at this bus. Registration number UP22 800875. Parked in Northeast Delhi. It is a diesel, Euro 3 or BS3 vehicle, clearly banned under current norms. Instead of being seized, heavy luggage is being loaded and the bus is allowed to operate, adding directly to Delhi's air pollution.
कौन सी है बस? डीजल है या सीएनजी है? डीजल है सीएनजी है? डीजल है। अच्छा ये बताओ, डीजल है, BS3 है तुम्हारी बस, मैंने कागज चेक किए हैं इसके। 8 साल पुरानी गाड़ी है।
ये सर मुझे नहीं पता, ये उन्हें पता होगी।
Yet another UP38802453 operating between Delhi and Sambhal. A 2017 diesel bus running without a valid Delhi permit.
परमिट है दिल्ली में चलने का? है?
ना।
कैसे चला रहे हो फिर से?
ऐसे चलाना है, दे लेंगे।
भाई कुछ नहीं कहता।
BS6 norms have been enforced since 2020. In Delhi, BS3 and BS4 diesel vehicles are banned. But on the ground, the reality is very different. These buses ply daily through different parts of the capital. Now look at another bus. Registration number UP17 804707. Its condition itself raises questions about its fitness. A diesel bus carrying passengers despite clear restrictions.
डीजल की गाड़ी है ये? तुम डीजल की गाड़ी दिल्ली में चला रहे हो?
खड़ी हुई है, चला नहीं रहे, लेके जाएंगे अपने घर के लिए।
कैसे लेके जाओगे?
कैसे लेके जाओगे?
चला के लेके जाओगे ना?
अब तक तो चल रही थी गाड़ियाँ।
कब तक चल रही थी?
आज से जब जैसे मान लो मना कर दिया डीजल गाड़ियाँ दिल्ली में नहीं आएंगी, तो अब फिर खड़ी हो जाएंगी जाकर।
पिछले 3 दिन से नहीं चल रही है।
हमने तो आज जैसे देखा न्यूज में, जो है देख रहे हैं न्यूज में, मैंने मना करा नहीं चल रही।
Bus after bus, unauthorized and polluting, operating freely, exposing serious gaps in GRAP-4 enforcement. The rules are clear. The violations are visible. The question is, who is allowing this? With Nitin Jain in Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.